Beyond the basics, unique hybrid RV features that will enhance your camping experience. When it comes to RV camping, hybrid RVs offer a perfect blend of convenience and flexibility. These innovative vehicles combine the compactness of a traditional travel trailer with the expandability of a pop-up camper, allowing you to enjoy the comforts of home while embracing the great outdoors. While basic amenities like sleeping areas, kitchen facilities, and bathroom amenities are essential, many hybrid RVs go above and beyond to provide unique features that can enhance your camping experience. In this article, we'll explore some of these unique hybrid RV features that will take your outdoor adventures to the next level. 1. Outdoor kitchens. One standout feature of some hybrid RVs is the inclusion of outdoor kitchens. These kitchens are typically located in an exterior compartment or on a fold-out panel, allowing you to cook and prepare meals while enjoying the fresh air and scenery. Outdoor kitchens often come equipped with a stove, sink, countertop space, and storage for cookware and utensils. This feature not only expands your cooking options but also keeps the interior of the RV clean and odor-free. 2. Slide-out rooms. Slide-out rooms are a popular feature in many hybrid RVs, and they offer additional living space at the touch of a button. With the push of a switch, a portion of the RV's sidewall expands outward, creating a larger interior area. Slide-out rooms can house dining areas, couches, or even bedrooms, providing you with more space to relax, entertain, or accommodate extra guests. This feature can greatly enhance comfort and livability during your camping trips. 3. Solar power systems. In recent years, many hybrid RV manufacturers have started incorporating solar power systems as a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional energy sources. These systems utilize solar panels mounted on the roof of the RV to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. Solar power can be used to charge the RV's batteries, power appliances and electronics, and even provide heating and cooling. With a solar power system, you can reduce your reliance on external power sources and enjoy greater independence during your camping adventures. 4. Bunk beds and convertible furniture. Hybrid RVs often include innovative sleeping arrangements that maximize space and accommodate more people. Bunk beds are a popular feature, especially in models designed for families or larger groups. These beds typically stack vertically, providing multiple sleeping spots without taking up too much floor space. Additionally, convertible furniture, such as sofas that transform into beds or dinettes that convert into sleeping areas, offer versatility and flexibility in how you utilize the interior space. 5. Outdoor entertainment systems. To enhance your outdoor living experience, some hybrid RVs come equipped with outdoor entertainment systems. These systems often include exterior speakers, a TV mount, and sometimes even a built-in outdoor TV. Whether you want to watch a movie under the stars or enjoy music while cooking outside, an outdoor entertainment system allows you to extend your entertainment options beyond the confines of the RV's interior. 6. All-terrain capabilities. For those seeking more off-road adventures, certain hybrid RV models are designed with all-terrain capabilities in mind. These rugged RVs feature higher ground clearance, reinforced chassis, off-road tires, and enhanced suspension systems. With these features, you can confidently navigate rough terrains, access remote camping locations, and explore nature's hidden gems. 7. Smart technology integration. As technology continues to advance, hybrid RVs have started incorporating smart features to enhance convenience and connectivity. These features can include smart climate control systems, app-controlled lighting and appliances, built-in Wi-Fi routers, and touchscreen control panels. With smart technology integration, you can easily manage and monitor various aspects of your RV's interior, making your camping experience more efficient and comfortable. 8. Multifunctional storage solutions. Hybrid RVs often include clever storage solutions to maximize space and make organizing your belongings easier. From hidden compartments under furniture to overhead cabinets with adjustable shelving, these multifunctional storage options ensure that every inch of space is utilized efficiently. Some models even feature exterior storage compartments designed specifically for larger outdoor equipment like bikes or kayaks. 9. Integrated awnings and outdoor living spaces. Many hybrid RVs come equipped with integrated awnings that extend from the side of the vehicle, creating a shaded outdoor living area. These awnings provide protection from the sun or rain and allow you to enjoy the outdoors while being shielded from the elements. Some models may also feature outdoor living spaces with built-in seating areas, exterior kitchens, or fire pits, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere outside the RV. 10. Enhanced insulation and climate control. To ensure comfort in varying weather conditions, hybrid RVs often incorporate enhanced insulation and climate control systems. These features help maintain a comfortable temperature inside the RV, regardless of the external weather. Improved insulation can also contribute to better energy efficiency, keeping the interior cool in hot weather and warm in cold weather. When choosing a hybrid RV, consider which of these unique features align with your camping preferences and needs. Each feature can add a new dimension to your outdoor adventures, making your camping experience more convenient, comfortable, and enjoyable. Whether you prioritize outdoor kitchens for al fresco cooking, slide-out rooms for extra living space, or solar power systems for sustainable energy, there is a hybrid RV out there that will perfectly cater to your requirements. So, get ready to embrace the next level of RV camping and make unforgettable memories in the great outdoors.